All right, we got this amazing MIIKO 3-drawer file cabinet. This thing is perfect, has a 330-pound load-bearing capacity, so it can hold a lot of stuff in here, a lot of weight. There's 3 drawers, very easy to install. The instructions are very easy to follow, and it actually is a lot faster than I was expecting it to be, but very detailed instructions, and comes very easy to install with these letters that coincide with the instructions. So to open it up, you got these 2 keys. It comes with 2 keys right here. So 2 different keys, they're the same thing. Stick it right in here and the drawers open right up. Very easy to install the drawers. Basically all you do, they all install the same way, but all you do when you get the drawer together, you're gonna, once it's inside of the file cabinet, you're gonna press down here, press down here, press down here, press down here. It's gonna lock it into place. You're good to go. One of the amazing things is right here is when you lock this is locked too. So even though you just lock it up here, the whole thing is locked. You can't get in. So amazing. Also, it kind of has the wheels on the bottom, so it's very easy to move around, very portable. But it also has these locks on the wheels right here. There's a lock right here. Press that down. Press it down right over here as well. And now it doesn't move. It's not going to move now. But you undo it. Now it's moving again. So this thing's great. Very easy to install. Just the perfect file cabinet. This is the one you need. Highly recommend.